Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're going to power off a single AirPod Pro now. Do this to save battery or troubleshoot. First, make sure the AirPod you want off is out of your ear or in the case, while the other stays where you want it to remain active. Keep your paired device nearby so you can monitor the Bluetooth connection. Once done, we'll use either the case or device settings to isolate and disable that one bud. This gives you control without affecting the other side. Now perform the key steps. Put the AirPod you want off into the case, close the lid briefly, then open the lid and check the Bluetooth status on your phone or Mac. If the bud still outputs sound, use accessibility audio routing or the left/right balance to force audio to the opposite side. This effectively silences the one in the case. You're doing this because the case can charge and disconnect one bud while keeping the pair recognized, which prevents full device unpairing. Finish by confirming audio only plays on the AirPod you left out. Adjust volume and balance to be certain. If the targeted bud refuses to stay off, reset the AirPods Pro. With the case lid open, hold the setup button for about 15 seconds until the status light flashes amber then white. This clears odd pairing behavior. Finally, make sure both buds have sufficient charge. Low battery can cause reconnection. If problems continue, reboot your source device and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.